today just to see the light. It will never change, and I know I'm leaving, trying to find out what I want, but it slipped away.
Hey everyone, welcome to our room tour of Aria. This is the Tower Suites Lounge near the front desk. Here you can find snacks and drinks, and they're currently open every day from 9 to 7. Now we're entering the Center Suite Strip View room. Upon entering, first thing I noticed was it smelled like fresh paint and fresh carpet. Push button controls, and a clear escape path just in case something happens. Coming here, we notice there's a nice wide open plan with the bedroom to the right. Got 2 queen beds. Nice large flat screen TV. In between the beds, there is a tablet which you control lights, drapes, order room service, get reservations, you name it, it's on there. And entering the bathroom, very lit up from the panoramic windows, a large soaker tub, lots of room. A nice stand-up walk-in shower. It's enough space to fit 5 people. Complete with a vanity on the right. And a fancy toilet with all the options. Got a nice set of drawers here to store your belongings if you're staying for a multi-day trip. And then here's the spacious closet with his and her robes and slippers. Also a safe and plenty of room to hang your belongings. Nice large countertop with double sink, double mirrors, and a TV. After a long day on the strip, nothing better than filling this baby up with some hot water, turning on the bubbles, and watching your favorite TV show. In this room, you'll find plenty of views out there with the panoramic windows. Park MGM, MGM Graham, Waldorf Astoria. Just like that, it's magic. Coming into the living room, got a nice spacious couch, as you can see. Comfy chairs, coffee table. And again, the push button controls, you can control the blinds. Some beautiful artwork again. And here you go, you got another tablet to control anything and everything in the room. The minibar comes fully stocked with drinks and snacks, and be careful. You will have to pay for them if you move them. So if you don't want to, don't touch it. Also, there's extra storage down here. And then the next door on the left, we have a fridge, mini fridge. Comes with a freezer. Can actually put quite a few items in here. Coming over here, we got a nice workspace with plugins for your accessories. Coming over here to the window, just can't say enough about how much you can see from this room. It's not a direct strip view, but you can see quite a few things on the strip from this one. I actually liked watching the tram go back and forth from Park MGM to the Crystals. It also takes you on to Bellagio, and it runs daily until the wee hours of the morning. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the room tour here at the Center Suite Strip View. We'll see you in the next video.